Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel MacPM. In today's video, we will solve some numerical problems on projectile motion. In previous two videos, we have derived the equation for a projectile motion and the various formula of maximum height, range, and time of flight for the projectile motion. So let's start. The first problem is a bullet is fired at an angle 60 degree with an initial velocity of 200 meters per second. How long is the bullet in the air? What is the maximum height reached by the bullet? So let's start. First we will solve this problem, then we will solve these two problems later. So a bullet is fired at angle of 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree with horizontal and initial velocity is 200 meter per second. How long is the bullet in the air? So we have to find the time of flight because it is asking how long it will stay in the air. So it is called time of flight. What is the maximum height reached by the bullet? So we have to find the maximum height. So this bullet will travel like this. So this is maximum height h, and what is the time of flight? Total time from starting from this point O to point A. The bullet will be in the air up to this distance. So we have to calculate the time taken by the bullet to reach from O to A. So we have already calculated, we have already derived the formulas. Time of flight is T is equal to 2V0 sine theta upon G, and maximum height is V0 square sine square theta upon 2G. So we have to just put the values in these formulas. Formula for T is total time of flight is 2V0 sine theta upon G. So we will put all the values. V0 is 200. So 2 into 200 into sine theta. So sine 60 divided by G. So you can find sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 400 divided by G is 10 meter per second square into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it will be 20 root 3 meter. Sorry, second. This is the time. You can calculate the value of root 3 and put here. So if you see from the calculator, root 3 is equal to 1.732. So 20 into 1.732 is 34.64 seconds. Now we have to find the maximum height. So maximum height is h is equal to v0 square sine square 2 theta sine square theta upon 2g. We can put the values again. V0 is 200, so 200 square into sine square 60 divided by 2 into 10. So you will get 200 square is 40,000 into sine square 60 is root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4 divided by 20. So we will get, if we divide it by 4 again, then we will get 500 into 3 is equal to 1500 meter or 1.5 kilometer. So I hope you understood up to this point. Now let's see the next problem. A bullet is fired at angle 60 degree with velocity of 20 meter per second. So here you can see that angle is theta is 60 degree with horizontal and velocity here is 20 meter per second. What is the time interval to reach the maximum height? you can do by formula also, or you can draw like this. This is 60 degree, this is 20 meter per second. So you can use the formula, but we have to find a time till here only, because total time of flight is from here to here and plus here to here. So time from here to point O to point A is total time of flight divided by 2, because this distance is only half of the total time. So our total time of flight is 2v0 sine theta by g. So this t by 2 is, this is value of t, so t by 2 is divided by 2. So v0 sine theta by g, which is equal to v0 is 20 into sine 60 by 10. So it is 2 sine 60 is equal to 2 into root 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.73 second. Or we can also solve this problem by another method. Let's see. We cannot use formula. If you don't want to use formula, or you don't remember the formula, then you can get the components of this velocity. 20 into horizontal, 20 cos 60 and 20 sine 60. Okay, and you know the formula of motion, which is v is equal to u plus at, where for vertical component v is final velocity. So at this point where height is maximum, final velocity will be 0, because at this point particle will travel like this, not vertically. So it will be 0. U is 20 sine 60 and g will be the vertical acceleration, which is downward, so it is minus. If it is upward, then it will be plus into t. So our t will be 20 sine 60 divided by g, which is equal to 20 sine 60 divided by 10. So it's equal to 2 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.373 seconds. So these two are simple problems. I hope you understand up to here. Now let's solve the next problem. Now, sorry for the delay. An object is projected upward at angle 30 degree with horizontal at initial velocity of 20 meter per second. Okay, acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. Determine the maximum height. So you can see it is also simple problem. Initially I am solving very simple problems so that you can understand. Later in next video we will solve some hard problem. So let's see this. This is angle 30 degree with a horizontal and initial speed of 20 meter per second. G is given as 10 meter per second square. Determine the maximum height. So this will travel like this. So we have to find h. What is the maximum height? So if you remember the formula, then formula for the maximum height is h is equal to v square sine square theta upon 2g, which will be equal to 20 square into sine square 30 divided by 2 into 10, which will be equal to 400 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 upon 20. Which will be equal to 5 meter. So I hope you understand up to here. If you don't remember the formula, you can also do this. This is 20 cos 30 horizontal component of velocity, and vertical component is 20 sine 30. Okay, so what is the height? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. You know this formula. So for vertical component only, v is maximum velocity at final velocity at this point will be 0, because at maximum height velocity is 0, only horizontal component is there. So u square, u is 20 sine 30, so 20 square into sine square 30 minus 2, a is minus g, which is 10 meter per second square, into h. H is the distance travel in vertical direction. So h is equal to 20 square is 400 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 4 divided by 20, which is 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So height is 5 meter. You can see that we are getting same thing from the formula also and from the simplification also, applying this law of motion. So I hope you understand these problems. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. If you like my video, then please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thanks for watching.